Tita Ilongga. Today is the birthday of our admin honor babes. Nak babes, yan, enjoy your special day. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy birthday.
All the best of your wish in your heart, and you have a birthday in the years to come. Ikaw yung prangka na tao, pero mabait. Talaga naman kung anong mayroon kang gustong sasabihin, talagang hindi pwedeng tinatago mo, talagang ilalabas mo. So, ikaw na nga siguro yung yung pero we are happy din dahil maganda rin sa loobin natin. At ayun, pagpatuloy mo lang yan. Sana matupad mo yung mga pangarap mo. At pagdating naman sa iyong love life, time will come na darating din yung right guy para sa'yo. Wish ko maging masaya ka na sa guy na yan na ibibigay sa'yo later or soonest. Punta ka sa iyong anak. We are praying also na matutupad mo rin. So, always pray lang tayo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Love God above all things. So, welcome dito sa SITF family, and enjoy lang tayo. No hate, spread love, sending hug, and more birthday in the years to come. And let us enjoy as one family and Imo in the group of SITF family. Everybody, everyone, sending hug and love you all, and God bless you.